Malapit kami. Ay, dami mo na juice.
Hi guys, we're here on the bus.
Yabang. Yabang yan, boses na yabang yan eh. Masarap na boses. Basta bagay, masarap na boses kanina eh.
Wave pool ata to, I guess. I think this is a wave pool. Ah, yeah, wave pool siya. Wala naliliko. Maybe close to start. And I thought 5:30 pa ata ang closing time nila. Their infinity pool. We are here again sa pool, but it's open 8 p.m. What a nice view. Madalang view. Picture tayo dito ah. Ito yung heart to.
Asan?
Ayan.
Naka-drone ka.
This is the heart pool. Pwede ba maligo? Bukas na yan eh. Talo mo dun oh. Ayan. Ang heart pool. And then, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of pool here, guys. Bathtub. Ganda ng view. But, okay, ito under construct. Oh, ayun. Yan na, guys. Yan lang. So, there's a lot of pool. I don't know how many pool are here, but maybe it's, I guess, it's about 20 more. So, there's a lot of villas here. So, every villa there's a pool. Okay, pwede na? Hoy! Hoy! Picture mo na ako! What is cool? Guys, kasi ang tagal lang cleaning area nila sa house ay sa room. That's why I'm trying to scroll around for a while waiting. So I left Chloe alone there. So I'm going in the beach. Maybe he's mad to me now. You know, because I left him. We're going to the beach. Let's see the beach. Wow, my jet ski. Oh, jet ski, man. There's a jet ski. A white beach. It's the entrance. A white beach. The bar. May bar area. So, hindi siya pa nakating. Wait, talaga siya. Ayun, inflatable pool. Ganun na po. Tignan natin kung malinis yung water na beach. Malinis. Malinaw naman. Okay, galit na. At si Louie galit na. He called me. Iniwan ko daw lahat ng gamit. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, let's see. Actually, itong White Rock Beach, hindi pa siya tapos kasi may na. Ayun, ako gumagawa. They're trying to improve their facilities. I'm out there. Just to see another. I'm going here now because just I just went there. Is this a pond? Let's go. A white pond. Lamig ba ito? Oh, madumi. Maybe may crocodile dyan. I thought may swimming pool. Wala pala. Okay. It's a private property daw. So I think there's a private pool there. Oh my god, I'm low bat. And that's a water park. Damn. Ito ata yung wave pool. Ah, yeah. Ito yung wave pool. Ano yung kanina na? Ah, yeah. This is the wave pool pala, guys. I thought the other one. So, it is the wave pool. Yeah. The wave pool. No one's swimming there. Schedule 40. Oh, later mayroon ang wave pool around 4 p.m. I will review it. This is the giant slide. Pwede mga bagets dito. They are also open for the public. Yes. Nag-enjoy mga bata. If we have a kids. But we don't have a kids yet. That's why I think the statue of us will enjoy this. I hope there is not. I don't know why we went. So big. Sunset. So if you look at them, there's a sunset. What a view. What a nice view. Ang dami swimming pool. Ay, nag-video ko. May live music at swimming pool. Let's try that.
Hindi ko na kumain sa Enzo.
You know what? I don't know what's going on, but it seems that our moon is not yet dark. Doctor. Snap lang. Tapos na. Huh? You can see it's not done. My gosh. We are just waiting for one car. Let's see later what's inside our room. We're gonna see. Is it beautiful? It is nice. I don't know. Ang laki po ng nabook namin hotels. So here. Ito infinity pool. Sarado na siya kasi after 9 lang siya. Oh. Okay. Here's the infinity. Look here, guys. It's so okay, and then there's a dog up there. The boat, the jet ski. And doon sa dulo. Temple nila. I don't know kung kano dyan. I guess it's too much because I won't cost 10,000 already. So, I think that place costs 12,000, 13,000. Meron din silang, here's the activities, the banana boat, bandwagon, jet ski. What's floating up? Bangka Island for 5 to us. Recommend 7.5 speedboat. And then parang maganda yung floating mat. We will ask the guy ano. Here's the Butaka. There they are talking to each other. And then we're going to ayos na lang pala. Look guys, our room. There's a sink here. That's an old school. The cabinet. And then the room. 2 double deck, the single, and the another single bed. Oh, there's a shower room, magkahiwalay, and then there's a popo room. Look at inside. It's a elastic man design. Plastic man. Yan. Hiwalay yung shower room sa popo room. Yan. Popo.
Ay, ano to?